I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your phone number from Lebara to EE, follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Request a PSE code. Contact the Lebara customer service to request your porting authorization code PSE. This code is essential for transferring your number. Step 2. Sign up with EE. Visit the EE website or a local store to sign up for a new plan. Make sure to have your PSE code handy during the process. Step 3. Provide your PSE code. During the sign-up process, provide your PSE code to EE. This will initiate the porting process. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. EE will notify you when the porting process is complete, usually within 1 working day. Keep your Lebara SIM active until the switch is confirmed. Step 5. Test your new SIM. Once you receive confirmation, insert your new EE SIM card and test your number by making a call or sending a text. If it doesn't work immediately, give it a few minutes. Switching your number can be a hassle, but following these steps will make it much easier. Good luck with your new EE service.